Hello, my name is Rhonda. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you've been here for a while, thank you very much. And please click the thumbs up button for me. I have my Boxycharm Premium. Last month I did not get to show it in time. I did video it, and I think I will go ahead and post it just for those that know it got lost in the mail. But this time I got it in time to show you all. And I got variation 50. And this box weighs 2.8 pounds. I know a lot of you like to see that. So I know the first thing, and I'm not even mad about this because I was so happy with my box overall. I wasn't even upset about getting this ugly bag. I know a lot of y'all said you were going to quit Boxycharm if you got this bag, but it's actually not that ugly. I mean, it's a good size. It's bigger than the little Boxycharm boxes, but it's like a plastic. It would probably actually be a really good bag to take and when you go swimming, to just throw your little bathing suit or whatever in here, because it's not cloth. It is, you can hear it is like a plastic. And I actually liked the color, the way they colored it. Like I said, I was so happy with my box, I didn't even mind getting that. So let's see if it says that's valued at $20, and it does say it's water resistant. Okay, so that's at 20. And then this was my choice. This is the Kenya Beauty Blush and Shine Kit, and this is, look at the packaging. It's really pretty. Just simple, but it's pretty. And it's so much bigger. I did swatch it. I couldn't resist. If you see my finger in it, look how nice it is. It's much nicer than I expected it to be. Much bigger. Let's see here. There's those colors. I've got swatches where I just did my other stuff. Let's see, can you see? That one is really light, but it is really pretty. It's just so close to my skin color that this is really pretty. I have to do a video. There's those. I'll have to do a video really soon and show this. There's those. It's very pretty. And that retails for $42. And then I got the mani palette. And that's, look how pretty that is. I'll do a video one day soon on this too. There's the colors in that. Look how pretty. Let's see. I know a lot of people weren't too thrilled about getting this because they said it was on sale somewhere, but I was still happy to get it. There's some of the colors in it. I've got to wash all this off. I don't have much room on me. There's some of the swatches. I'll do a video on this one too very soon. And this retails for, it's the Morph and Mani palette, retails for $20. And then I was really happy to get this. I love Perricone MD products. I use some of their skin products and they're so expensive. Look at that really cool packaging. Look at that. And it turns. Look at that. That's so pretty. Let me find a spot that doesn't have a swatch. There's that. It's like a really glossy, it's really pretty. I think it's really a cool little, it turns. I pulled and pulled and it turns. This is Is that the color? Let's see if I can find a color. It says 8L4. I don't know if that's considered a color. It's called No Makeup Lipstick. Oh, it has a SPF of 15. So that's just like a nice gloss. It says Color Lip Treatment with SPF of 15. So I was really glad to get this. I love Makeup Revolution products. Everything I've tried so far I loved. And no, it's called Perricone MD No Makeup Lipstick. That retails for $30, and I can believe that because they're expensive stuff. And then I got the Everyday Vacay from Ciate, London. I actually thought about ordering this on the recent pop-up, but I mean not pop-up, add-on, but I didn't because I didn't know if I was going to get it, and I do have setting sprays, but I really wanted to try this. Let's see, where's the spray? Oh, there's a spray. Is it? There it goes. Oh, that smells really nice. Yeah, that smells really not too strong, but that smells nice. Okay, I was happy to get that. And that retails for $22. And I was so happy to get this. I had my fingers crossed hoping to get this toner. This toner retails for $95. And look how pretty that packaging is. And I saw True once was talking about how much she loved the toner. So I was so happy to get this. It has the regular little spout there. I'll try this and let y'all know what I think if anybody's curious, because that's $95, but that's a lot of product. And I didn't think to add this up for you. I can do it really quick. I did think to do to find out what my box weighed, but I didn't think. Let's see, the Morphin Mani's 20. The toner is 95. Perricone MD is 30. The Ciate London setting spray is 22. The Blush and Shine palette is 42. And the bag, so my box came to $222 retail value. And like I said, I was very happy. Just getting that orange bag did not bother me whatsoever, because almost any of these products that came with it, except for a few, cost more for just that one product than the whole box cost. So I am very happy with what I got. I always figure if I get at least 2 items that I really like, it more than paid for the whole box. So I am really, really happy with my box. And nothing came broken. They kept, this was packaged up. Even this, it's really loose fitting, but they even wrapped this up, which I was so surprised, because usually they don't do it. But this was in its own little bag, and then that bag was put inside this box to keep it from jarring around, because it fits in there loose. I was very, very pleased with everything, the way they did it this month. So there is that. I'm fixing to do the rest of my unboxings, and then I should be getting my Ipsy Ultimate and Plus later this week, so I can get those done. I have some makeup videos I've just done. I'm trying to get it to where I have something to post every single day, even if things are busy and I can't post, that I have videos put up to where I have something I can post. So thank you very much for watching. Please click the thumbs up button for me, And I love you guys, and I will be right back. Bye-bye.